how to collect emails with ManyChat. So first go to your account. Next is just click on automation here at the left side, and then you just need to click on your automation, and then click on start from scratch. Okay, now from here, before so in order for you to collect your emails, you just need to have a trigger first. Next is select one of your channels. I'll just choose Messenger, and then choose your trigger. So I'll just choose user sends a message. This is my trigger. So choose among the two here options, whichever you want to use to a way for it to trigger. So the first one is detect specific words that you're going to tell it to detect in the user's message. And the first one uses AI, which recognizes intention of the message. So this is easier. We'll just use this. And then let's say if the message is about a person is looking for a coupon, something like this, this would be my trigger, right? So just click on create. Next is you just need to have the first step after the trigger. So our first step would be Messenger, since we're using Messenger. So next is just click on data collection here, close this, and then click on contacts reply. Now make sure that this is on email, and then it would look like this. Before you continue, so whenever a user sends a message and that user is looking for a coupon, it would send a message like, before you continue, please send your email so we can contact you later. So it would look like this. Let's check the preview. So whenever the user sends you a message, it would look like that, and then they just need to send you their email. So just type in test@gmail.com and then send it. Then that's how you can collect their emails. So you just need to set it live, and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.